1.
Create or download something. In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh object. Locate a bed. Export mesh.
2.
In Blender, import your object. Make your object fit. In edit mode, via either the UV selector or by pressing L in the viewport, separate the frame, mattress, pillow, and covers. Make your object fit. Select OG bed, select pillow, transfer weights. Remove any unnecessary weights. In my case, anything that doesn't say pillow. Repeat for the covers. And the mattress. And the frame. The frame and mattress use the transform bone. If it's not all red, in edit mode, click Assign. When done, rejoin your bed together.
3.
On Original, delete verts. Select yours, select Original, join them. Select Material, delete blank. Select Checkerboard. Select your texture. Tweak UV if need be. If your texture is not there by default, in Image, open Image, do your thing. When done, save them. Delete shadow verts. Merge all to Studio Mesh _0. Save as shadow. In Sims 4 Studio, re-import meshes and textures. Done. I'm currently working on non-clipping stuff, so rig positions and such of the like. Eventually I'll work it out, so stay tuned.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.